Hey guys, I have two variations on a fun circular pattern for you today. The first one uses the square knot and half hitch, and the second one uses the square knot, half hitch, and reef knot. I'm using 5mm premium rope in the colors Natural and Rust for this tutorial. Both are available in my Etsy shop or on my website, see the description for links. If you're enjoying my tutorials, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really helps me out. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Cut 2 pieces of 5mm rope, each piece is 5 feet long. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Tie a square knot. Tie a half hitch on the left side of your work and then another on the right. Repeat that process to create a design of your desired length. End with a square knot. I'll show you one more time using the rust rope. To create the second variation, start your design again with a square knot. Again, tie 2 half hitches, one on the left side of your work and then another on the right. Using the 2 middle cords, tie a reef knot. Tie 2 more half hitches. Repeat that process to create a design of your desired length. End with a square knot. Thanks so much for watching.